With the Parent League, the one good thing about it that, that I love is that they do it so they can work with parents that work, and so they can go to school in the evening times. So like I can still have my day to take my kids to school, go to work, come home, get the kids off, off the school buses or pick them up, and then still be able to come to my classes. Having two daughters that are 12 and 10 now, I kind of want to show them that, like, look, you can go, continue your education. I don't want you to stop. Like, there's so much out there that you can learn, and they love learning now, and straight A students. So I just want to show them that even though I'm a mom, I can still, go back to school. We, do homework together, and, they're like, Mom, did you do your homework? You're going to sit down. So, it's fun, just like this whole experience, like going back to school. So to have this program open up, and it's, it's simply for parents, for, people like me that, want that opportunity and always dreamed of that opportunity, but didn't know, what way to go or how you're going to do it. To have this here is just like a blessing. It really is.